Welcome to today's tutorials. This video is going to be all about the description list. So let's get started. First, let's create the description list so we can see how it looks like. So let's start with DL for description list, DT for terms. Let's add like word 1. Now let's add DD for details. So let's put a random text, forum 5. Now let's add another word. So DT word 2, and let's add another random text, so lorem 5. Now let's check the browser, and here we can see that we have a word and its description beneath it, because description list is extremely useful in key value pairs like dictionaries, or if you're gonna describe a machine like a computer or a car or something like that. Now let's go back to VS Code. One last thing, we can actually have multiple terms for one description or vice versa. So let's try that. Here, I'm gonna add DT and word alternative. Or here, we're gonna add another detail. So let's call it alt detail. Now let's check the browser. Here we have 2 terms for one description, and here we have one term for 2 descriptions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.